Hi you guys, it's your girl Des here, and today I will be showing you guys how I got this red hair. If you would like to see how I got this red hair, then make sure you just keep on watching.
The ting goes.
Hey you guys, so the wig that we will be using today will be by Superbwigs, and this is their 613 blonde bob wig, and this is 8 inches. I will make sure I put all the description on this wig below so you guys can go and shop and check them out. So first off, you guys, I will be using this Shimmer Light shampoo. What this Shimmer Light shampoo will do is it will get rid of that yellowness, and make sure when you wash this hair with the Shimmer Light shampoo, make sure you don't leave this on for more than 2 minutes, or else your hair will turn silver, and we do not want that. We are starting with some hot water, and here we have our first hair dye of this ruby red. We will pour this ruby red inside of the hot water and stir it up until all the clumps in this water is dissolved. Here's our second bottle of that ruby red. Make sure you stir that up real good. Okay, so right now I have this raging red, and I will put it in this water along with the other hair dye, you guys. First I had used half of the bottle, but later on I went in with the full bottle simply because it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. Okay, so first off, you guys, make sure you comb out your wig because you want this hair dye to get on each strand. You do not want it to be streaky. You do not want some parts darker than the other one, some parts lighter than the other one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I did leave this wig sitting in this water for about 25 to 30 minutes. And what I'm doing right here is I'm combing that wig out even more, just, you know, because I want it all the way even. Like, I want this hair dye to be even as possible. And this is the next day, you guys. I'm using a full bottle of Crimson hair dye by Adore because this hair color, it was not as dark as I wanted it to be. Like, it was like a hot pink, and I wanted a pop red. Like, I wanted a dark red to light red, so this is why I went in with this Crimson hair dye. Okay, so you guys, the reason why this hair color was not as red as I wanted it to be was because I had too much water in this bucket. So make sure when you do this, you don't have too much water, because that will really affect how bright your wig comes out. Alright, so you guys, this is the finished product, and I absolutely love this hair color. Right now you can see me fitting on my head to see, you know, exactly how I am going to put it on my head. Just to let you guys know, I did not do a full tutorial on how I laid this wig because I had a couple mistakes. Right here you will see me putting this wig on, slapping this wig on while the glue is white. That is an absolute no-no. You guys, I just want to apologize because I thought I was gonna slay this wig, but when I get it together, I will come back and give y'all a full tutorial, I promise. This is the finished touches, you guys. I absolutely love this wig by Superbwigs, and I absolutely love this hair color, and I got plenty of compliments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to the next one because it's about to be a whole lot of. Thank you. Also, you guys, if you would like to purchase a headband like this, make sure you visit my website at www.bossybunch.com. Thank you.